If being hard on yourself worked, it would have worked already. This is why toxic reinforcement, like you may have experienced in AA, just do not work. You cannot hate yourself into a better past. And no amount of guilt and shame is going to genetically reprogram your existence to be a better person. At one point, you may have confused self-shame with self-love. So if you're struggling with mental health or substance abuse, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it correctly. I'm Cody. I'm the creator of the Beyond Sober Masterclass and Unlabeled Recovery Program. In most cases, toxic reinforcement in support groups creates an environment where people feel shame and guilt for not meeting the group's expectations. And what happens is we take that shame and guilt outside of that program, so when the group isn't around to shame us, we go ahead and shame ourselves. And as that toxic reinforcement becomes more apparent in our recovery process, we internalize that, and self-harm and punishment becomes a daily practice. No one else is here to punish me, so I'm just going to punish myself. And that could be emotional, physical, or even psychological. For someone who isn't very good at managing their emotions without a coping mechanism, that just leads to more drinking or self-harm. Toxic reinforcement focuses on your weaknesses in a negative aspect and helps you feel like a failure. Hate is pain. Love is healing. So when I'm working with someone in a program, we're focusing on self-love and compassion. This approach is crucial for healing and specifically breaking free from self-harm and other addictive behaviors. There is a major difference between toxic and genuine mindfulness. When we drink alcohol, we are attempting to ignore all of the things that we perceive to be negative. And what's left is the illusion of being here and now. When your attention is no longer being taken away from the things you don't prefer, what's left is your attention on the thing or feeling you do prefer. What you see and what you feel at that point is not real. On the other hand, genuine mindfulness is not trying to ignore what's not working. It is actively attempting to give your attention to what is working. When the only thing you are possibly capable of thinking of is what you like, then everything else just disappears. So to transform in your recovery journey, it is imperative to shift your energy away from just abstaining from drinking alcohol and becoming more of a happier, healthier person. You are human. You deserve love. Focus on your personal growth. Give your attention to what you love and what you enjoy, and don't forget to celebrate yourself every step of the way.